Meanwhile, as officials face criticisms and questions continue to be raised, TVJ News explores what should have been done to facilitate parties and like events. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Here are scenes of the traffic along the Palisadoes main road on Monday evening, for which officials have faced strong criticism, and one that has left officials dodging responsibility as persons question what led to the breakdown and who should be held accountable. Is it the police, the KSAMC, or the promoters of the event? In order for an amusement license to be granted by the police and the KSAMC, a promoter is expected to provide the authorities with the following information: the type of event being held, the nature of the event, as well as the number of people expected to be in attendance. The promoters would also need to obtain special permits from the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Jamaica Music Society, as well as a spirits license. The Fire Brigade, in granting its permit, would then visit the venue and conduct its checks to ensure adequate entry and exit points, recommend the number of safety fire marshals needed for the event, and notify the nearest fire station. But our checks with the Fire Brigade revealed that they were not aware of the event and no fire safety permit was granted. So how did the promoters manage to obtain a permit without the safety of the venue being assessed? That question is yet to be answered. Also, for the granting of an amusement license, TVJ News understands that the Police Traffic Division should be notified. However, that didn't seem to have been done based on this response from SSP Calvin Allen during an interview with our news team on Tuesday.
Initially, we thought it was just movement of vehicular traffic, people coming from the airport or going to the airport, until we learned afterwards that it was a function, a social event that was being held, which was causing the problem. So I had to pull resources from as far as the North-South Highway and other areas to see how best we could assist at that point to mitigate the situation.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.